Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning my walls and my doors. So I looked around my home. I saw lots of spider webs and dust all over my walls and doors. So let's get started.
Somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves, it keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space. adventurous sea. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, and still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I'm diving in, falling stars, a lovely start. Swimming in this deep, deep blue.
Well, I thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like this video, comment, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.